again.
Go.
Let's see what they're doing.
All right.
Terrorize the citizens of the world.
Wait,
Oh, I think this is where the very first trailer started, didn't it?
Wait. With
Because this alleyway looks
with the
familiar.
first person?
Okay.
I've been diving into this fresh. I don't know anything about the series.
Dying? Are you being chased?
They start with the
Except that he
goddamn
transformed
door,
into
dude.
a
No,
trailer.
Unless of
This
course
is
he's
apartment?
badly injured or wounded
Or
or whatnot.
doesn't really look like much of an apartment.
Well, a chainsaw man.
Oh man, getting to see the beginning of this animated
Is
now.
this where he lives?
Oh, it's kind of surreal.
That
not
got
gonna lie.
really loud, actually.
Sound direction.
I remember when I was first reading it, I was kind of
Thank goodness they didn't put a jump scare there at
Dang.
the end.
But it just kept getting
Denji
better.
is struggling.
Right off
This
rip.
kind of stuff. Who likes
The
it?
animation editor and movie
And
editor.
what's
I
that
guess
next
it's
one?
great
Like,
if
look
you're
at the
doing a
tone.
Is that a
reaction channel.
chainsaw?
That overarching gray in every single color tone that we've seen. The
Looked like
detail
a-
in the
Already
background.
though, like
Chainsaw.
what did I say? The sound design, right?
You
The
said
sound
toy,
design.
then it was I was trying to find a toy.
This does not look like a TV show again.
That's stepping onto a
Or your typical
definitely
trailer.
just to
My
show-
man is already
just to show
missing an
us how
eye?
movie
What's the
was
backstory?
That's right.
What has my boy Denji been through?
60,000?
Just off rip, he's already missing an eye.
Look, there's the toy.
Oh,
So he sold a kidney?
it's a dog. It's the chainsaw dog. Okay.
Oh my god.
And now he's explaining. Okay. So he's really struggling.
sold one of his testicles.
Why does he need so much money?
He owes some
All
money.
right,
Give away his eye.
Mr. Nuts.
Oh my gosh.
This guy's deeply into that.
What is that?
My goat Poji.
Bro, where did he find this dog?
Yeah, I'm so pleased with how this is gonna go, dude. The casting is perfect.
Oh, okay.
It looks
Oh, that looks uncomfortable.
Ah, so he does his own devil hunting, but he does it for money.
You're diving straight into
Whereas
this.
the other guys, they do it probably
I don't know
to
who's
like
scared of
protect the
tomatoes to
innocent.
make this shit
Yes,
work.
come on, you just see a bunch of
I just wanna
monsters.
run
Only
that
like
back.
what, 4 minutes
Running
in?
back to the
That's
fuck up the whole time.
Bro.
Oh my god, I hate
Or the
y'all.
devil,
I
if you
love
will.
y'all, but I hate y'all.
See, they
I knew
knew
it was
that
a
this
tomato. You could tell from
anime
the color. The
was
little
gonna
bits
have
of
a huge
green
following, so they had to go all out. They had to dump everything into it.
So can you eat it?
Oh, wow, that's way more
That's
than
a
he thought.
light price, dog. You get
Wow.
Oh no. Oh
He gets 10,000.
cost and just a little bit
no.
extra.
What does that bring it
You're not
down
even
to?
making money.
Right on it.
Blackballing him.
Ah,
Why do you owe so much
man.
money?
People see the big commission.
Fuck this, man.
That's
son,
rough.
My protagonist, bro.
stressing me out already.
Denji, the best modern jump protagonist.
And this is what he has to deal with every day?
What was that, 18 bucks?
So you're just walking around. Can anybody see this?
Why are you so insane?
That's
Why
gonna
do
have
you
to
need
last him
money
a
from so
month.
bad?
I guess
Oh, so that's why he's eating bread in the
Be
trailer.
generous and say 20
that's not
bucks.
too bad, is
Bill
it?
for a month.
I don't remember. What was it,
Fuck
70k yen?
I think the craziest thing for me is just the aesthetic, dude. Like the stylization.
It's not
and, like,
terrible.
The color dampening, like everything just has like such a somber palette that it.
Oh, his father's dead.
I think like
Dang, so the deck got
it's a
passed
stylistic
down
choice
there.
that's been happening a lot more lately, but I think it was just some shades on that.
Oh, okay. That's what you're using. Okay. You don't ask those questions.
Got a dream.
That's messed
no.
up,
What
man.
do these guys want with them?
Just let him live.
Oh man, come on, now's not the
Who's doing
time.
that, chat?
Wait, hold on. Denji!
If I told you I'd give you $1 to eat a cigarette.
I mean, hey, he's doing what he has to do. But that's just like,
Bro, for a
he did that for $1?
That's $1, nigga.
Still. For $100,
Wow, man,
I'm
that's
not putting
messed
that shit
up.
Wow,
in.
times is hard for real.
dang.
Coin, right?
I guess that's an easy bag.
Oh, he didn't.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Oh, okay, so we
Nice,
ended up
man.
kind of
That's literally
outsmarting that guy.
They
He was trying to take
45%
advantage of us.
I get you, man. I get you.
His total.
Or kind of use us for his
What his
amusement.
total worth is right now?
You thought it was some cheeks?
I don't know what that was.
Something so simple. It's
Sure thought it was just some cheeks.
pure luxury.
And it's owned to the Yakuza, so you can't even say declare bankruptcy.
I want y'all to
Oh man, this reminds me of the last trailer.
Not like I invited a girl to this dump.
I'm rooting for you, Denji. One day, it'll come one day.
About it is, it's not just you, Denji. These days, a lot of guys are probably gonna die before getting
I
a
wanna
girl.
see-
Hey, and
Or with
that's
the
but a
girl
humble request. He's not asking for much, all right?
Yeah, they're still not.
His
Really?
backstory
I guess.
So I don't know if there's any gods in
He
this
has to take
world,
on
but
all his
someone
father's debt.
has to grant this man his wish.
Do I? You know what? I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not. This ain't even a fucking review anymore.
That is his
I don't
death
even need
card.
to.
Yep.
I think so.
Hung himself.
I'm gonna sum it up by saying this shit looks immaculate.
So he just dumped it all onto his
Formally,
kid.
I don't have to say shit about it. I'm so happy.
Mister,
What? He said
Now I can
all
just
of
enjoy
that?
it myself.
Mister, I'm 10.
100K.
Because
And he not only has to do these odd jobs to get by, he has to do it just to survive. Because these guys said they were gonna chop his limbs off.
only money to Yakuza.
This is where he met the dog. What was his name? Pochiko?
This is dog.
Or
His
Pochinko?
father.
No, you're right. Traditional long shot.
It probably felt bad for him.
Oh no, he got the pet double.
That's something that like.
This is rough, man.
Oh, it's her.
Oh, is he wounded? Oh,
Did he get shot?
it looks like he got bit or shot, maybe.
I think.
Who knew this little devil was the thing that was gonna give it
I
first?
love how consistent the quality in this shit is, man. This is so good.
Oh wow, so
Oh, this is
he's trying to
rough,
save his
man.
life.
Fuck, he's making me think of Scotty.
Damn.
Dude, it's so crazy seeing something so adorable just carry a chainsaw on its forehead. Like,
Deal with a devil.
it's like you want to pet it, but you don't at the same time.
Literally just
He was ready to
finished last season or something like that.
Yeah.
Hunt other
The
devils,
OST
right?
is hitting, bro.
Engage kiss.
It's
And it's
so
his first,
atmospheric, perfect way.
his
I
first
knew
devil
this was
he's
gonna happen
slain.
from jump, but like, I don't think I could have asked for a better adaptation of Chainsaw Man. Like, I don't know what else could have been done for me to be like, well, this is better than what I'm seeing.
Well, his dad owes $34 million
Nah, it was
Right
7.
now.
Oh, the first installment was 700K. You're right.
for
my
that
fault.
month.
You're right.
But
yeah. You're
It's
right.
the worst.
He says and then he showed how much he still has left. That's crazy.
They're purposely making it hard.
So that's where the jam and the honey and everything comes from.
Wow, dude, he's not asking for much. Someone save this man.
Yeah, you can just hear it in his voice.
That's the dream for
That's-
everyone, right?
That's peak life right there. That's all you need.
At least this dog
All you
doesn't
need.
have
He's coughing up blood.
Blood? Oh,
Oh shit.
is he sick?
from losing a kidney.
What is happening?
Aggressive.
Oh wow.
Oh, this man
Now
can't
he
catch a
might have
break.
that same condition.
Other type of.
Dang, Denji is going through it, man.
I wonder if the bite made him change his teeth. You see how his
This
teeth
man
look
can't catch a
Detail that
break.
was
You
lost
can't
on
at
me.
least just put him up in a nice
Heart disease.
It looks like his
beautiful.
job never
I
sleeps
am
either.
loving it. I'm loving the story. I'm loving the animation.
Night.
I'm loving
Well,
the
he
MC
wasn't
so far.
asleep,
Man's
What the
biggest aspirations is to eat bread with jam on it, dude.
I have no qualms.
And just flirt with
With
a
Chainsaw
girl.
Man
Not
at
wrong
all.
about that.
Yeah.
Not wrong about that.
Playing video games and then falling asleep together hugging,
This feels
that's
like a
cute,
movie.
though.
You know what?
I do
I'm gonna
wonder,
recommend
though, like,
Chainsaw
how
Man to
valuable
everybody.
is
I
Wait,
know.
is this? Oh, here it
Right
is.
off
that old
Here it
guy.
is, man.
What?
The hunt devils is such efficiency.
They
I
typically
remember
aren't
this
10
from the
minutes means
trailer.
right.
So that means we're probably going to be meeting the girl with the red hair
maybe
soon.
to them, Denji is actually valuable in a certain kind of perspective.
We're not
What's the
finishing
setup?
this
Different
chapter, are
killing.
we? I'm looking at the time. Yeah. we're
Wait,
not
this seems fishy. Why is this guy walking into here?
They're finna kill him. Oh man, this sucks.
Said he was a
He okay. If he's not a devil hunter, then I'm highly confused because he's getting a bit too close to whatever devil we're supposed to be slaying.
We have no more use for you.
Oh, yeah?
It's over.
I don't trust him.
I'd be like, I'm getting out of here.
Work for cheap.
They're underpaying him.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna die like one. Oh, okay. Hold on.
No way.
What the hell?
Oh, what the?
Stab me in my back?
Oh no!
So wait. Oh, he got both of them.
Oh, katana.
Honestly, I got it. For a random, for a goon, bro.
So this guy is a devil. Wow, we've been working with him this whole time.
From the back, man. Didn't even give him a fighting chance.
What the fuck is that? You see it behind
Oh, or maybe he was being used by this devil.
Can't stand
Ew.
you? Fuck. Got jumped.
I see.
Okay, so at least that guy didn't backstab us. It looks like he was being used as a puppet. But this devil has to be like, you know, higher level.
A zombie.
He's no ordinary
So literally anything can become like a devil.
They went to him thinking he was gonna get power.
I mean, we already have a chainsaw devil, so.
Wait, did his blood get mixed with the devil's?
time.
Is
I
that
don't
how
know if
he's
he's
gonna
got any
transform
tricks up
into
your sleeve,
Chainsaw Man?
Denji, but now we can use them.
Because his blood is mixing with what is it, poached skin?
Look, my man got stabbed. And he has a heart condition, and he's hungry. Oh man, we're gonna need a miracle. Okay, that'll slow him down a little bit. Look at that. Look at that. These bozos can't walk around it.
Yo, man. You have to save time. That's the greatest lead.
Oh, no.
Poachita? Poacher, however you want to say it.
I
We're gonna
appreciate
get blood and gore.
Oh, this is brutal. This is
sucks, man.
brutal.
His
And
life.
look at that. They're just like relentless. It's not just like a stab or a slice.
He
They're
went through so
butchering this
much,
thing.
man.
Chainsaw man.
All he wanted was a normal life.
This is a lot, okay? Like, even for me.
Imagine if
Jesus, this has to be such a terrible way to go.
that was his life.
And just stabbing, hacking away.
That would be
huh?
Making him say it.
That'd be so messed up.
Oh my gosh.
And ultimately,
gone?
everyone else would have been fucking.
So I guess
And then they
this is
throw
how
him
he
in the
becomes
trash.
this-
They chopped him
Jeez,
off.
and just tossed him in the
trash.
trash. Oh, his head is severed!
His head is cut off.
And his blood runs over money, too.
Jeez,
They cut
and the
Poachita in half,
dog!
too. Fuck.
Oh, but drinking the blood heals them! Oh, snap, okay,
shit, yeah.
okay. We might be going somewhere now. Poachita.
Poachita, okay.
Poachita.
The dream.
Hold on, we might be getting somewhere.
So we can still use it.
The lighting in this
Oh
scene.
my gosh.
Man, out
That's
here
I
chopping
ain't
his
never
own
in my life felt
firewood.
so sorry for somebody.
I think that's the thing that's like really fucking me. It's just like the backgrounds and the aesthetic and the color work are just insanely great and also hyper stylized and unique. Like it's rare that you get something that has hyper stylization, but then it's
Chainsaw between two cheeks.
just the way I'm I don't want to say rich. I think just like
Oh.
There goes.
just like so great.
Wow, so that's
So
oh
the devil
man,
he
that's
just goes
great.
into must be one of those. So are the Yakuza the other devil hunters, the legit, like government-owned devil hunters?
Thought it would be him in control of his body and not
That's nice.
that they forfeit.
Oh wow.
But hey, the dog is cute, right?
Unless it's gonna be two of them sharing.
I didn't know something this fantastic.
And the ironic thing here, this devil basically
This is
came
That,
back,
oh,
fantastic.
what?
taking over the body.
Okay, his
of
limbs
the
are like
accused.
reattaching.
He was literally free, right? For the
Oh!
fact that he was
That's
hunted down.
like I've seen a lot.
So the dog like became
Let's
his
go,
life
man. Let's
force?
go, dude.
They like fused together?
Nani?
Wait.
He saved you.
Oh, okay, no. They're still two separate.
Whoa!
Oh, they're
Okay, hold on. This is kind of cool.
Shinji.
Oh, he's gonna
Let's
sacrifice.
go, man. Let's freaking go, man.
Coach does voice actor or actress sounds really familiar
Coach
too.
just kind of just sacrificed
I
himself
love when I can see
and gave up his life so Denji could live.
Oh, here it is. Here it is.
I hope he wins.
both the lines. It's so sick.
I gotta look at
So
it.
him and Coach Tower one now.
Oh shit.
This is the track I've been waiting for.
We're gonna put
This
his
is the track
strength
I've
to
been waiting for.
good
Turn
use.
this shit up, bro. Turn this shit up.
You're one to
We're not
talk.
talking about gross.
You shouldn't be calling anyone gross.
Yeah, but you
Here's
done
our
messed
thinking
up now,
they're gonna
man.
be
You
like
done messed up.
best-
Somebody get me
And
this.
that's why he's got the little
Time.
thing in his chest.
Pull the cord, Denji.
It makes sense.
Yeah, that's not something he can comprehend because he never had anything.
Not necessarily, Denji. That's not how I view it.
Wow.
There, my guy.
Yeah.
The difference between you and them is you know.
Is he going to
It's time.
pull the
I
cord to
feel it coming.
transform? Wow.
Pull the cord, Denji.
Let's go.
Yep.
If you get it on, eh? Oh, that's the end of you.
Wait. Stop. I'm not ready.
Uh-oh.
There it is. Oh, were we too slow?
Dog pile, though.
No, there's no way. There's no way.
You guys even biting at? You're not even close enough to even be biting at him.
Come on.
Get this
Maybe
shit
it takes a second to kick it. Maybe it just
You hit
takes
that
a second.
chainsaw?
Get this with style, please.
You gotta rev up. You might have to pull it a couple times
hit
to
that
get it
chainsaw.
going. Oh, there it is. There it is.
Sound direction going. Did you hear that slow chainsaw rep?
Look at that.
Oh my
Whole
God.
mountain of zombies got
Let's
cut down.
go.
Oh, through his hand.
Oh, the CGI fire.
Oh, this looks
Wow, I
legit,
never
man.
noticed
Oh my
that.
God.
I
Look
always
at that.
thought like his arms just like cut off and then it was chainsaw going forward. I didn't think the chainsaws like split through the middle
I'm
of his
greatness.
hands. That's kind of cool. It's like
my God.
Wolverine claws, but chainsaws instead.
Look at this.
This
Look
guy
at
is
this.
getting shredded right now. Jeez.
Nah, don't be afraid. Don't be crying.
Oh, but he's still got some fight in him.
No, I need frame by frame on this shit. I need frame by frame on this shit.
Come on, Denji. Ooh. We ate that.
Uh-oh.
Yep.
Nice.
Ooh, out of here.
Oh my
Out of
God.
here.
I
Oh
love me some
my
destruction.
gosh.
I love me some destruction.
Man, this went from a warehouse to a slaughterhouse.
Oh, this is
Let's
balls.
go, Denji.
So look at this animation. Look at this blood. Look at this gore.
See, now I wonder now if there's like
What
a
Chainsaw Man hit
like a
different.
timer
Oh my
on
God.
this. Can we
Honestly,
only
no.
hold this form for a certain
I'd be
amount
worried
of time?
about slicing myself with those kinds of arms.
Ooh, through the dome. Here we
There
go.
we go. There we go. Yeah, I want to
We
like
gotta get
mow
back to
through
the
them.
the main villain here.
Other parts of it.
Because if we finish him off, the rest will probably fall with him.
Wow.
Oh my
God.
God, that is so cool.
Let's go.
Eat out of the eye.
Headbutt.
Oh, this dude. Denji. Oh my God, bro.
He spat up the engines, hear that?
That's my goat.
Slicing through him straight down the
You know, even though it's, I feel like even though there's a lot of blood, it actually isn't all that gory.
Well, he ain't got to worry about the opposition no more.
Alright,
It's relatively okay.
you guys are still walking though.
Chainsaw
Sound
Man hit
direction for the
different.
chainsaws. Like,
Chainsaw
I've
Man
never
hit
like-
different.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? I deal
Are they
with
just gonna stand there? Or are they gonna fall
Never heard
over?
it in my mind. I've read Chainsaw Man Part 1.
Oh, they became devils.
Yeah, you mind mowing the lawn, dude?
Yeah, it's still Denji in full control.
Yep. We're not done now. We gotta cut these guys. Oh, he gave him the forehead.
If you're gonna,
That's kind of disrespectful, I'm not gonna lie.
See, that's what I said. That's exactly what I said.
Styling on him now.
Oh, he's losing himself.
Wow, my man's just
So
hysterically laughing.
this is how he becomes a devil, and this is also why he's an anomaly.
Man, I'll be on
Because
that
he didn't actually like become a devil. He more so fused with a devil. So he still maintains some of his humanity. And is this who I think it is?
Are they devil hunters?
Oh, yup, this is from the trailer. This is definitely her.
Here goes.
And she's got the goons with
She's
her.
got more of these from like some like people.
Hey, yo, chat.
Yeah, look, boy,
So
look at
this
that.
is where this part of the
Barks
trailer
at,
ended.
chat.
Nope.
There's too many.
Look
There's
at
not enough
mess.
barks. There's too many in here. There's not enough barks.
Oh, he's so
barks, bro.
I thought you left.
Shit. Y'all tripping if you don't bark.
You're a rabbit animal.
Oh, come on, Denji.
Ooh,
You gotta
okay.
On sight, bro.
Sir, was this you?
I'm liking this fearlessness.
It's not me.
Y'all nothing but loyal hounds.
Look how close she is to him.
I just got chills.
I'm waiting for
Yo,
Paula. We don't bark
Well,
for
he's a
Paula,
mixture
bro.
of both.
That's just our goddess. That's just best girl. You know what I'm
Not
saying?
like a human or a devil.
So like I remember when we got PV2, I said I was surprised
this
by
is a
Maki's
part of his
voice, but I
dream.
like it.
Wow,
Oh, she did.
man. I'm in love already. I'm in love
But I still
already.
do like it.
Wow, okay.
Said he had a weird
Interesting start to their,
Oh, it just melted.
I guess, friendship,
Oh,
maybe?
That's how you change it?
I love that transition.
I was not expecting
I
that.
actually like that.
Kobeni car enjoyer. I'm just a Kobeni fan, okay? If you want to talk to me
I'm
about
surprised
Kobeni, we can have like
At the level of trust she's putting into this guy. It's kind of cool.
Wow.
Okay.
I think her
It's
voice,
actually a
you know,
government
the-
organization.
'cause I
She has
think-
special
Because I feel like most people would be terrified of him.
authoritative voice. But if you really think about Makima, like this,
Whoa.
this actually suits her better.
Whoa,
It actually
hold
suits her
on.
way better.
Or I can keep you
It's that mess.
as a human. Yeah, like a dog. It just
Wow.
doesn't
So this
have-
is
all
where
he's
we're
ever
giving our
wanted.
decision.
Yo, we got the same face expression.
Bad deal.
Yeah. Wait, why can't he just live alone? Why are those not the options?
Yo,
But I mean, then again, they
Medium
kept
rare
him, but
than
it was a
you've ever had.
vegan.
Oh.
He's like, alright, let me get my full offer here. What are we having for breakfast?
someone.
Who told you that people eat dessert?
That's a
with
lot of
breakfast?
food. He
And
was
look,
just
who
eating
knows how
plain
long
bread.
it's been since he's had any of those things.
I don't know why, but she keeps
So
on
we
giving
know
us
which
some
offer
treats.
he's taking.
Am I the only one?
Yep, yep, okay. So this is the beginning.
Completely surrounding me. Literally.
starting to-
Wait, I gotta hear the ED2.
I like this ending.